Hi everyone, I'm Matthew Colburn. I'm a technical advisor with NECA Queensland branch. Okay. I'm also a licensed electrical contractor here in Queensland. Today I'd just like to talk to you a little bit about the insulation test component of electrical equipment test and tag. Okay, so in particular, the difference between a leakage current test and an insulation resistance test. Okay, so under AS/NZS 3760, okay, that gives us two options: the leakage current test or the insulation resistance test when we're talking about testing the insulation of electrical equipment. So let's have a look at this instrument here. Okay, it does a variety of things. Okay, one of those is continuity and insulation resistance. Okay, so what I'd like to do here is to sort of show you that the main key decision I have to make in deciding whether I need to do a leakage test or an insulation resistance test is to work out whether the appliance needs to be energised to close that supply circuit. Okay, so with an instrument like this, with an appliance like this, a toaster, I can actually, I'll just short my instrument out first. You can see that there's a short circuit between when I short the leads out. But when I actually test between active and neutral on this toaster, and again making sure that I'm only on continuity, you don't want to do this on insulation resistance. Okay, go between active and neutral, close the actual switch on the toaster. You'll see there's a resistance there of about 65 ohms. So you can see that switch is actually doing something. It's actually causing that appliance and that supply circuit to be on. So therefore, in my mind, I think, yep, no worries, I can actually use this instrument, the insulation resistance tester, to actually perform the insulation test according to AS/NZS 3760. Okay, but have a look at this appliance here, a microwave oven. There's no physical switch like the toaster on here. Okay, so and if I actually test quickly between the active and neutral pins, you'll see that's an open circuit, and I don't have any way of closing that circuit. So that to me is indicating that this particular instrument on the insulation resistance test, I can't really use this instrument to test this adequately under 3760. I'd need to perform a leakage current test. The way that we do that is a variety of means. The standard provides three different sort of options in regards to that, but the most common way is use of a PAT tester, a PAT, or a portable appliance tester. Okay, we'll go into that in another video, the actual how to use those instruments, but the main purpose of the day is just to raise the awareness around leakage current testing versus insulation resistance testing, and make sure that you use the right instrument for the right job.